everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've seen my previous video, you would have seen that I kind of made a mistake in regards to, I was trying to sort of close Olivia Danville and distribute the funds into two traders, but it was the weekend when I did it. I wasn't thinking properly, so it wouldn't actually fully close Olivia Danville until Monday. Today is Tuesday, so obviously I'm a bit behind, but let's quickly get into it. Don't want this video to be too long. So, okay. So yeah, you can see Olivia Danville's left the house now, and it's just J Nemesis with a 12%, $24 increase from the 200 I put on. And we've got the 400 back here from Olivia Danville. Okay, so we're just going to go into watch list. And as I mentioned on my previous video, we're actually going to choose myhungetoro and Alex. Okay, so let's click on myhungetoro first. And we're going to copy, let me just see if I want to do open trades or not. Let's go on portfolio. Yeah. Let's do open trades. So, okay, so 200, 120, copy open trades. Okay, let's go. Okay, I thought usually there'll be a notification or something. I mean, they are open that on. Okay, not sure why that's not happened. Did I not click it? Let's go into Alex just in case there's some sort of delay. I don't want to put both of them on myhungetoro by accident. Okay, so let's copy. So $200. Copy open trades. Copy. And we'll wait patiently. Okay. Hey, there we go. Just a simple refresh of the screen. I was kind of hoping for that little notification just to, make it solid. But yeah, seems there's a weird glitch, some sort of technical issue or something. But yeah, we put 200 in myhungetoro and 200 in Alex. Yeah, that's fantastic. Let's see what happens. And yeah, great. I think we'll make a little bit more profit now. Fingers crossed, hope I don't jinx it, compared to Olivia Danville's very solid, very safe, but also very low monthly returns. Okay, that about does it, guys. As I said, it's a very short video, just to show you who my new traders are now. J Nemesis, myhungetoro, and Alex. Yeah, looking forward to it, hoping for good things. And thank you very much for watching, and take care until I see you next time. Cheers.